What needs to happen to restore trust in DRC, in the Ebola response? Few things needs to happen. But I think the main thing, it's to really take stock of the complexity of the situation, the fact that we are in a conflict zone, and the fact that it's a place that has been the theater of years of conflict, where people have went through massacre of their community, where they've went through epidemics of different diseases. And now that Ebola has been there since August 2018, they're wondering, well, all of a sudden, the world is paying attention. And I think that if we want to restore trust, we need to step back a little bit, listen to what are their concerns, not preach to them, and bring some answer to their very, very basic issue, which is access to healthcare, access to water, and in addition, respond to the Ebola epidemic. I think that's what needs to be done.